This is a kind of infotainment. Yes, information and entertainment together. It is about some less known facts of humble potato. Part 1A. Science, archaeology, history, culture and cuisines. Humble potato has its presence everywhere. Potato can be called a fragile gift from the Andes. Our very known potato was first domesticated in South America, in the Andean highlands between Peru and Bolivia more than 10,000 years ago. So, farmers of those people, the present countries Peru and Bolivia, there on the hills, potato was first cultivated. Sometime before the end of the 16th century, by two different ports of entry, potato arrived Europe. The first in Spain around 1570 and then in the Britain between 1588 and 1593. Here you can see the famous Machu Picchu picture on Andes mountain, Peru. Here you can also see the wild potato plants from Peru, and you can see the hill people of Peru. Potato, scientific name Solanum tuberosum, belongs to the nightshade family, also known as Solanaceae, which also includes tomatoes, eggplants, means brinjal, and chili peppers. Potato is currently the second widest used staple crop in the world. Some websites inform that the edible part of potato is root. It's not true. Biologically, edible potato part is stem, named tuber, having clear nodes and internodes, and having eye-like marks, which are actually buds on it. And even you can see the scientific name, Solanum tuberosum. There are many potatoes. Some names you haven't heard of. When you buy them, potatoes are still alive. A sweet potato isn't actually a potato. Despite its appearance, potato is made up of 80% water and only 20% of solid. One of the ill-famous world's great famines happened due to potato. Vitellotti noire is a blue-violet colored one and Laura is red color. 2008 was the UN approved International Year of the Potato. There is an American Journal of Potato Research. There is a blue-violet colored potato. Potato also comes in a unique blue-violet color. Yes, unbelievable though, it's true. The Vitellotti noire, or simply Vitellotti, is a gourmet French potato variety which dates its cultivation in France at least since the early 19th century. Because of its remarkable color, it is also called the Chinese truffle. Most importantly, this variety is known to be a great antioxidant. The humble potato was first domesticated by the hill people in the region of modern-day southern Peru and extreme northwestern Bolivia. The Inca Indians in Peru were the first to cultivate potatoes around 8000 BC to 5000 BC. Potato is also found in the Peruvian archaeological records on ceramic pottery. How many varieties of potatoes are there? There were at least 100 different kinds of potatoes those ancient farmers discovered from the wild. Here is the picture of Ancon. This ancient city is the center of Peruvian archaeology. Excavations proved the very first cultivation of potato was done out here in Peru. In the Andes highlands, at least 9 different Solanum species are cultivated. Wild relatives provide a further 226 species. While most of the rest of the world, the potato crop depends on a single species, Solanum tuberosum. Gujarati word bataka probably come from the word batata, because Portuguese called batata. The use of diversity helps to minimize risks. An Ecuador farmer explains why he plants up to 20 potato varieties in a single plot. In a dry year, maybe some of the varieties don't yield so much, but then we still have the other potatoes which can put up with some dryness. In a wet year, it can be just the opposite. There are some varieties which are more resistant to frost and others are more resistant to cutworms. In some areas, native potatoes are used as presents. Women play the main role in the identification and selection of varieties, and they are involved in every stage of potato production: seed selection, production, harvest, storage, processing, and cooking. Note the class 10 CBSE students. In biology part, it is given the importance or the advantages of diversity. Here is an interesting fact about freeze-dried potatoes. Aymara people of the Andes mountain range on the highlands, these hill people, Aymara, invented the freeze-dried potato, which they call chuno, to enable them to store potatoes year-round because they don't have the cold storages. To make chuno, potatoes are spread on the ground to freeze overnight. The next day they are trodden to squeeze out the water. Several days later, the chuno is dried and stored. Potato is a particularly vulnerable crop because it reproduces asexually. Note NCERT book, CBSE students class 10 biology. This infotainment on potato will be continued in next video. Some less known facts of humble potato part 1b.